Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing the last unboxing for today of a phone I picked up on eBay, of course. That's where I get most of my phones, so I don't know, it's just a really good place to buy used phones at. This one came with some paperwork right there. So this is the listing. It is a Motorola 31170. It doesn't say how much I paid for it. I can't remember. It's been a while. It's got extremely good packaging. It came with a charger as well. So there's micro USB to universal wall adapter, generic one, but micro USB. And there's the phone. I think it's the Rival, I think was the nickname of this device, but I can't exactly remember. Motorola, let's see, A455 is the actual model number, so I don't know what listing number he gave me, but no micro SD card included, anything like that, which is fine. I can't remember if it was tested or not tested. Let's see if it's got any power in it. I think it's power key. Looks to be dead. That's my watch vibrating on the table. Yeah, it looks to be dead. I'll have to charge it and see, but I can't remember what exactly was wrong with it. There's a quick little unboxing for you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.